37's up next. I don't know why, but I feel like doing this the way I should. You guys know that the cosine of a negative thing is the cosine of a positive thing. So this one doesn't look too bad because that's 1 plus cosine x. So we're going to add to that 1 over 1 minus cosine of x. What we're going to do is we're going to put the fractions together. It's kind of like cross multiplication. You multiply this one by that guy, 1 minus cosine of x. You multiply this guy by that guy, so plus 1 plus cosine of x. And the bottom is the product. What happens up top? Up top you end up with a 2, don't you? 1 plus 1 is 2. And the bottom, you'll get a 1 minus a cosine squared of x, and those two would cancel each other out. So a 1 minus cosine squared of x is sine squared of x. And this becomes what? 2 cosecants? There you go. You can also cheat. Use something like pi or pi over 2. See which ones are equivalent. Simplify cosine of negative k, sine of 2k, minus sine of negative k, cosine of 2k. That looks familiar to me. It looks like this, right here. I don't know why that little thing's all up in my business. Go away. It looks like this, but maybe they have a minus sign. So it must be the sine of s minus t, because it would be the sine of s, cosine of t, minus cosine of s, sine of t. So it's that guy right there. So it's the cosine of s minus t. Yeah, I think so. That would mean that s is a negative k, t is a 2k. And if we do negative k minus 2k, wasn't that just funky? We would get negative 3k. So weird. You know what? They're just being mean. That becomes straight up cosine of k. This becomes plus sine of k, and that becomes cosine of twice k. So my first train of thought was evidently wrong. It's actually just this, isn't it? Oh, we have a crash. Ooey.